Hey dolls, today I'm going to be showing you how I got this fall makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. Starting off with the Baby Skin by Maybelline, it is perfect getting rid of those pores and prepping your skin for your makeup. For the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in the color Ebony. I like to start off at the bottom of my brows by shaping them and then feathering them out. To clean up my brows, I'm using the Makeup by Mario concealer. This is in the shade 410 or 420. I like to follow the bottom of the arch and then blend it out so it'll look seamless when I apply my eyeshadow. Going in with the Juvia's Place palette, I'm using this warm brown to be my crease color or outer corner color. This is going to be the shade that blends into all of the other shadows and make everything come together. I also use this shade to shape my eye. So the goal I'm going for is more of a cat eye, so it is in an angle. So I'm going into triangular motions as well as going into the inner corner. For the lid, I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, using the nude color for my skin and shaping the eye so it can go into our crease color, then packing that down for a sharper cut crease. The next shade I'm using is more of a red tone that was in the Master Mattes palette. This is going to blend the lid into the crease color, making it flawless. Going back in with the Juvia's Place, I'm using the dark brown shadow as an eyeliner to make this look more smoky and fall. Going in with another primer, just making sure that my skin is ready for my foundation. This is going to make sure my foundation and the rest of my makeup does not move. Now to conceal my under eyes with the Makeup by Mario Surreal Concealer. I like to let the concealer sit for a little bit, so I'm going in with the Urban Decay black eyeliner to tightline and make this look even more smoky. To make this look a little more dramatic, I'm going in with the Urban Decay liquid liner. This is just going to make your eyes stand out even more and enhance the brown eyeliner that you already applied. Now that we've allowed the concealer to set, it's time to blend it out. I personally like to pat it out. I do not like to swipe it because I feel like it starts to crack and it loses its pigment that way. So this is my preferred method. I do bring it out under my eyeliner. This is just to make my cat eye just more dramatic and more defined. For the foundation, I'm using the Makeup by Mario Surreal foundation as well. I absolutely love this. It makes my skin look dewy and glowy, but it's not too much. It is also buildable, so I can wear this day or night for heavier or light coverage. I recently started using this product. This is the Freck Beauty contour, and it is perfect for my skin. It's very light and it's super easy to blend out. To blend this out, I use similar techniques as far as my concealer. I like to pat it and then blend it. Pat it and then blend it forward, upwards to lift the face, and then downward to make the cheeks look very warm. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place in the color orange. And to set my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. The lashes that I'm wearing is from Ardell, the Studio Effects, something really light. I'm using this brown NYX liner. Then going in with MAC Cosmetics. This is like a nude pink color for me. The lip liner wasn't dark enough, so I go in with a darker brown in the eyeshadow palette just to add more definition to my lips. I use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. It is definitely my go-to because my makeup lasts forever, looking dewy throughout the day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is my fall makeup routine.